Floodwaters gushed down the slopes and swept away buildings in Dharauli, India. Hundreds of houses were washed away in just a few minutes. A truck was driving along a narrow road when rocks and soil suddenly fell from the mountain, crushing the vehicle. The man was incredibly lucky to move away just moments before the ceiling collapsed.
光干活了，也没工上海边儿，在大海上人家看我来了。
A close-up view of a sandstorm sweeping through Canada turned everything orange. The earthquake in April 2024 shook Taiwan and nearby countries. Curious onlookers watched as a tornado formed over the sea. Mudslides submerged the village of Tirnios in the Republic of Kabardino-Balkaria, forcing residents to evacuate urgently. Thousands of people rushed out of their homes when the earthquake struck their neighborhood. The moment an old bridge suddenly collapsed. It seemed like a terrible day for this beer delivery worker. A shocking moment when a falling tree branch struck a motorcycle on the road. A careless mistake by the truck driver.
不甜了，都说，就那个药材可赚了。完事了。
Cars were destroyed like toys as a tornado tore through the area. The video in China shows multiple buildings collapsing one after another. A truck tried to speed through a curve, causing concrete blocks to spill all over the road. The scene looked like something out of a movie as two cars crashed into each other. Fortunately, no one was seriously injured. An earthquake in China caused everything to shake violently. Looks like the excavator driver gave those guys a free shower. An overpass under construction in Chiplun, India suddenly collapsed.